Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan. Today, we got another brand new unboxing for you. Alright guys, so before we get started in today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And do not forget to hit the bell so you're not going to miss another one of these uploads. That's right guys, we are back with some more unboxing and reviews on the channel. I first and foremost just want to start out by saying I apologize. The videos are not going to be as good of quality as they previously were. I am unable to currently do the overhead shots and to get some really up close personal shots. I just can't do it right now. You know, I'll go into that a little bit further in a separate video, but just can't. I'm unable to do that right now at this current time. So bear with me for right now. This is just how how the videos are going to be going from now on. For next couple of videos at least. So bear with me, and let's get started on today. So today's unboxing and review is going to be on these guys right here. It is the Nike Field General SP Union collaboration. This is the Union exclusive Guava colorway. Now, as you can tell from the box, pretty dope box. It's going to be imitated of like a locker. So you're going to get that locker feel on the box with the Union logo right here as well as the top right corner. I think that's pretty cool. You're also going to get some stickers on this side of the box. You're going to get the Union branding right there. And then when it comes over to the size label, it's going to say Nike Field General SP Union. Shimmer Silt Red is the colorway. It's going to be a size 11.5. My true to size. And I believe these things are going to fit pretty true to size. And actually, I went my true to size because on the website, they do recommend you going at least a half a size down because they said that these ran a little bit big. I'm usually between that 11.5 and 12. If I want a nice snug fit, I go with that 11.5. That's why I went with them in this particular model. You are going to get inside the box, it's going to say Union was here on the top of the box right there. On the paper, you're going to get some special paper, some Nike and some Union branding right here. It's like this bluish mesh textured looking type of paper right there. I think that's pretty cool. And then you're gonna get, first off, you're gonna get greeted with this little sticker pack, which same stickers that are on the box right here. So there's the box and there's the little sticker pack. It's gonna be the same exact little logos right there, which I think is a pretty dope little touch that they included that in the box. And then you're gonna get greeted with the shoes right here. First off, let's just start by saying that the Field General in particular, I should say, is a training shoe. Okay, so right off the bottom, you're going to notice on the bottom, you're going to get this, deeper tread pattern. It's going to be this waffle type of cut, tread and traction pattern on there. This is for training and or like on the field, so on and so forth. That's why you do have not a flat bottom, but you are going to get that traction right there on the bottom. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I didn't know that at first when I originally got these things. For me, it doesn't really matter. I don't think you're gonna really notice that, while you're walking on pavement and on general surfaces and so on and so forth. But it's just something to note if you guys are looking to pick these up. Other than that, guys, these things are really, really clean. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know how I particularly feel about this model and the shape of the shoe, but the colorway is fire. I do really enjoy this colorway. I love this Guava colorway more than I did the Ivory, which was the all white pair, and some of the hits of this as well. And then that black pair was like the black with the blue type of color as well. The color palette for this collab reminds me of that as the Cortez, the Nike Cortez that they did. Similar color patterns. I'll throw those up on the screen so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I mean, general impression of the shoe, good quality materials that they're using. And I really do like this colorway. So as you're going to note right off in the beginning, you're going to get started with this sail type of white lace right there, already pre-laced up in these things. And then you're going to get these this brown and guava speckled lace right here, as well as the traditional Union golden type of lace right there. So you're gonna get those two lace options inside of the box. And you're also gonna get this pretty cool little tag right here. It's like a little Nike football, and then on the other side it says Union. So you got the little yellow football right here, and then the little Nike tag right here. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar, if you guys don't have a boat or something like that, this thing is gonna float in the water. So a lot of people will use this, they'll clip it onto like their boat keys or whatever. So in case your keys get flown out of the boat or whatever, this thing floats. So I don't know if a lot of people know that, but yeah, something pretty cool that they included. We're going to use this one for the review just because it has less going on the sneaker. But I believe Union, actually here, let me just note a little difference here. So on this one, on the tongue, you're going to get your Union logo right there up on the tongue. And then this one is going to have the Nike logo. So that is literally the only difference between the two pairs, is one of the tongues says Union, one of them says Nike. While we're at the tongue, it's going to be this sail cream tongue. You're going to get that exposed foam as well on the tongue. This is kind of just a, it's kind of just a Union standard. They do a lot of this on their particular collaborations, but you're going to note that exposed foam tongue right there with the sail and cream padding underneath that nylon tongue. Really dope hit. I personally like it. Goes very well with the overall color scheme of the shoes. While you're on the eyelets, you're also going to get this really nice suede panel overlay right here. Also looks like underneath you're going to get the smooth leather as well. So it's kind of like double layered on there, if you can tell from there. But yeah, nice little pattern right there. You're also going to get the Guava, or like the extra lace loops right here that are extending up from that like midfoot right there and then up to here. So really nice little details right here. Like I said, this thing is detailed and enriched. A lot of hidden details in this thing. Also going to get the Union LA signature right there with the little Union LA tab. Really nice. I love that on all of their collabs that they include that on. That Guava hit, bright Guava hit, is also on the pull tab on the back. This does have a pull tab. Not all the models will include that, but just for this collab it does. I think that's pretty nice, as well as that Nike overlay on the back of that smooth, like brownish, tannish leather right there. So pretty nice right there as well. Cool heel cup, like I said, and they got that nice little brown. You're gonna get the Union branding as well on that midsole, which is a pretty hard midsole. I don't know how much cushioning you're gonna get in these things, but Union badge right there on the midsole. Like I said, very detail oriented, this particular shoe. Going over to the mid panels, you're gonna get this really nice tumbled leather Nike swoosh. I do like that. That's gonna be on this side as well, on the inner side as well. Very nice right there. Nice detailing. Like I said, you're gonna get this mesh too, all over brown mesh paneling on the toe. It's gonna be super breathable, actually should be pretty comfortable. Overall, this shoe does feel pretty heavy. It's not the heaviest shoe. It's not like you're wearing a boot or anything like that. Wide toe box, and there's also not a lot of padding. I think that's why they said the half size down, because like I said, wide toe box, and as you're going around that ankle right here, you're gonna get this really smooth leather. I don't think it's genuine leather. I think this is like synthetic or whatever, but it feels really nice. I think it imitates a football, and that is going to be on the inside of the heel. But like I said, very thin, not a ton of padding going on in there. And that's probably, honestly, the particular reason they told everybody to go half size down, because there's not a ton of padding. Insole does feel good. It feels like a thicker insole than some Air Jordan insoles that we've gotten previously. So that feels like a pretty good thick insole. Inside of the insole, one of them is going to say Nike, and the other one is going to say Union in that Guava colorway. Wrapping around the mudguard, you're also going to get this really nice little suede. It might be nubuck, but feels like suede, a little rougher cut in that tan or, you know, cream color going all around that toe guard, which is very nice. And like I said, traction on the outsole. You're going to get the Nike hit in the middle, but it's going to be that brown outsole traction with that, you know, waffle kind of pattern. But overall, guys, this is a very clean colorway, very unique. I liked this one particular out of the whole pack. Let me know your guys' favorite colorway down in the comments, please. But yeah, I think that these things are just unique. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping these or not, but overall, I do like them. It's good fall sneaker, right? These colors go pretty nice in the fall. You're going to rock these with some really nice pants options. But yeah, just a unique collab. I personally do enjoy Union collaborations. I know a lot of people didn't like their most recent Air Jordan 1 with the Beffy Beauty Supply collab, but I got them right here. I do enjoy the heck out of those things. And I like Union collabs overall in general. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this collab down below in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video as well, make sure you guys are leaving that big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell, so every time I upload one of these, you're gonna get notified. And that's gonna do it for me today, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, me, and the Union Nike Field General and the Union exclusive Guava colorway. We're out. Peace.